Alright, so we will just do a quick unboxing for Blaze Intercom. Mixing music sharing, 2-person intercom, IPS66, dustproof and waterproof. So ito yung features niya. So let's see what's on the box. So actually availed yung promo nila na buy one take one. So we have the user guide na hindi naman natin binabasa. And this is the actual intercom GT1. So let's see what's inside. Ay, pareho lang naman laman nito for sure. So meron tayo nung clip. Yung headphones niya. 2 microphones. Ito para sa half face. Ito pwedeng pang full face. So yung earphones plus Velcro and Type-C charging cable. So yun lang yung pinakalaman niya. Alright, so for the functions, for the buttons, ito yung power on and off, 1 to 3 seconds. Ayun, by default, naka-Bluetooth mode siya. Volume up and down, intercom connect, and yung music sharing. So, pag i-connect siya sa phone, of course, hahanapin lang natin yung device. And then, i-pair lang natin. Ayun. So, mayroon prompt na Bluetooth is connected na. Alright. So, pagdating naman sa pairing, ito yung pangalawa. On lang natin. So, by default din, naka-Bluetooth mode siya. So, one is receiving, yung isa is transmitting. Pindutin lang natin to. So, naka-transmission mode siya. Yung isa is reception mode. Ayan, magkakaroon naman na ng prompt na connected na sila. Hello? Check mic test. Check mic. Hello, check mic test. Check. So, let's try with the audio sharing or music sharing. So, ito pipindutin natin. Ayan. And then, functions nito, kapag pipindutin mo ng matagal, yun yung volume up, volume down. Pag mabilis, para mag-move yung music. Ayan. Back. Ito, back. Pause. Play. Naka full volume yata ito. Ayan. There. And the other features na nagustuhan ko dito is yung RGB lights. So, press natin 1 to 3 seconds. Ayan. So, you can choose whatever yung trip nyong kulay. Ayan. And I think meron ding option para sa language ng audio.
English language selected.
Ayun.
English language selected.
Iyon. So, ganito yung itsura niya kapag nakakabit na sa helmet. So, half face lang yan. Velcro type yung ginamit ko instead of the clip. Mas trip ko to. And very quick review lang naman siya. Overall, very satisfied ako since nagamit na namin to ni OBR. Very clear yung audio. Ang ganda ng microphone sa noise cancelling noise cancelling niya. Hindi siya mahangin since naka half face kami. Original price nito buy one take one is at 2,499 pero nung 11/11 naka-less kami kasi almost 1,400 lang namin siya nabili sa TikTok shop. I'll just post the link sa description box. That's all. Bye!